Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're gonna walk on the Cotai Strip in a minute. Over here is City of Dreams and Venetian. We'll just walk right over there so you can see them a little bit better. And this is the walkway, and then over there is Galaxy. That's all Galaxy. Those two buildings are both Galaxy. And we're going to go through Venetian, I think, and go down to the Cotai Strip. Okay, this is a Venetian food court. It's about 10 o'clock at nighttime. Kind of let you see what it looks like. There's Chiang Mai food, Thai food. There's Japanese. I think we're gonna go down the middle. Chinese, Vietnamese, Hong Kong. Chinese, Singapore. Hong Kong again. Good luck. I think that's Chinese. One is all in Chinese. Beef. That one is Chinese. Spicy boy, Chinese. Another one Chinese, so English. Barbecue King. That's dark. That's also either Hong Kong or Chinese. Over there is Taiwan. There's Sichuan, Chinese. Blue Bill's Restaurant, another Chinese. Hunan, Chinese. Korean food. Here we go. Treasure Lake, that's kind of like a fusion Asian style. There's Taiwanese, I think I did the Taiwanese already. The juice one, Old Traditional Macau, that has the other Sichuan. Ocean Ferry is, it looks like Chinese. Tim Ho Wan, Chinese. And okay, so that's basically what we have here. Mostly Chinese places. So yeah, it's an international casino, but almost all the restaurants are Chinese. But if you talk to the students, they'll say that it's very diverse because it's a lot of different Chinese. So anyways, that's the Venetian food court. So we're in the Venetian. This is the canals, but it's pretty quiet. It's 10 o'clock, so a lot of places are closing. We're also gonna go over here. So yep, these canals go all the way through, and there's gondolas. But I think they're closed at the moment. So, but since I'm in the Venetian, I'll show it anyways. And there's a kind of fake sky. And actually, those are kind of similar to Macau. And maybe Venetian as well. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.